Welcome to my YouTube channel, Marketing 5.0. Thanks much on continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. In our new series on doing business the right way, we have seen many videos starting from doing business right way, decide uh, on the business based on your domain skills, then based on the decide on offerings and so on. So in this line today, we reached almost the end of our the series. Uh, Now we talk about the business control and growth. So this video in sequel with my previous video actually about the launching the business. So after anyone launch the business, what they have to do. So which is very important. So which is where the business control and the growth aspects they have to focus on. So the number one aspect of any business, the new business, so they need to set a foothold and they need to sustain themselves because normally initial period like 6 months to 1 year they may not be getting any profit, but they need to make money to meet their expenses. They have to achieve break even. So that is a very important thing. So if they could not achieve break even at least for after 3 months to 6 months, then it is very difficult for the business to continue. So it may not be initially possible that immediately the day one they can achieve break even and make profit. So it will take 3 to 6 months for any normal business to set a foothold and they start work on that and they start making money. But it's very important. They need to control their business, the expenses as far as uh, the business is concerned, the new business. But the expenses are very important. As a new business, they need to spend a lot of money on promotion, communication, and increasing the footfalls if it is a business that has a physical entity, and if it is a digital entity, there also they need to increase the visits of people to your online business, and they have to focus more on the conversion. The conversion is the key there. The motivation aspects are very important in that particular point of time. So that is where the expenses are very important, but the company needs to be very careful how much money they spent on this, and the money should focus on. It's like so bang on the target. They should not spill the money there. They should identify the right communication mode and reach target consumers, and they should know how to make this money work for the company. So that is what if you talk about any promotion, any communication, we talk about three things: reach, recall, and sales. So you need to reach the right target consumers, and you should ensure they should recall the product service you are selling, and that should lead to a sales. So this is the primary goal they should focus on. That way, the control of the expenses are taken care of, and the company can manage it. And apart from the communication, the expenses, the company needs to focus on the other expenses they need to control. They should not spend extra money on other things because initial 3 to 6 months are very crucial, and they need to run a tight ship. So in that way, the unnecessary expenses should be avoided. It's very important till they make profit. So at least for 2 to 3 years, the company needs to run a tight ship. Any unnecessary expenses are need to be curtailed till they actually set into a part of a growth. So when the company can know actually they're just like reaching their position of the sustainability. So after they achieve a break even, the company focus on the ROA, return on investment. So whatever the money they invested, they should take it back through their net profit. Then once the company can take all the investment, whatever they made, then they are on the growth path. So that is where whatever the profit they made, so they can spend for their internal the growth, the accruals. So instead of borrowing money from the outside. So that also very important. The initial days, the company need to control themselves from borrowing money from outside sources. It may be very attractive, it may be very lucrative to get into the trap, but the company need to avoid that particular trap if they want to actually look for a business for a long run. And the other important aspect is how a company will know actually they reached beyond the level of the initial days. So the company can identify through the footfalls and conversion rate. So once the conversion rate started increasing, the company needs to set a benchmark based on the industry they are working with. So it depends on the industry, it differs. Like it could be 50%, 60%, 70%. So once they reach beyond the benchmark, so they can understand they just on the smooth trial. So that way, the company can identify that they are getting the repeat customers or they're getting referrals, and so that company is getting into kind of autopilot mode of the business. But till then, there should be a kind of a the control and support is required for a company to get into that particular stage. Also, the other important thing the company should notice is the management of employees. They need to hold the employees. They need to win the loyalty of employees for initial period of time. So cycling employees will not be acceptable. It's a big no for that. So identify the right employee and hold on to them. And they should also know about the business. So the cycling of employees in the initial period of the business will create a lot of trouble to the business, because getting new employees and every time it's kind of reversing the trend. So that should not be the idea. The company should not get into the trap of it. So this is where the running a business after launching, the control aspects are very important, and they should understand when they reach the autopilot mode and the growth aspects. So this will give a clear indication of how a company can get into the next level. So with this, anybody who can start the business, so they can do it in the right way. They have to follow the proper way of doing business. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos and subscribing to my network and sharing with your network. Uh, and sharing with your friends, relatives, and please ensure people should get it and they should get benefit out of it. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support.